Hey there, and welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio. My name is Miss Diana, and I'll be your teacher. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next 10 mini lessons, you're getting a sneak peek into my full course, Piano for Beginners, created to help your child fall in love with music while learning piano the fun and easy way. Each video is short, sweet, perfect for little hands and busy days. Plus, there's a free mini course workbook waiting for you in the description below. It's your guide for this journey, full of colorful pictures, fun tips, and space to keep track of your progress. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. All right, let's dive into today's lesson, how to sit at the piano like a pro. So today we're going to begin with the first 3 steps in how to sit properly at the piano. Number 1, our distance. Number 2, our height. And number 3, our overall posture. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, the first thing we're going to check out is the distance. And in order to do that, if you stretch 2 fists directly in front of you, I want you to see where mine end up. Your knuckles should be at the edge of the keys. If they're over the keys, that means you're sitting too close. If they're way back here, that means that we're sitting too far. So when you're sitting here, you'll find that your knuckles will reach the very edge. Now, along with distance, we want to make sure that we're sitting on the front half of your bench. You don't want to be sitting all the way back or even using a chair where you're going to lean back into it. You want to be sitting in the front half of that because it will give you that forward motion towards the keys as you're playing. All right, number 2, your height check. You want to ensure that your learner is sitting at the proper height in front of their piano for comfort as well as for their technique. So with their feet flat on the floor, if their feet do not yet reach the floor, there's a stool that I'm going to include in the show notes below that you can grab for your learner that will help them to make sure that their posture is nice and tall and strong as they play, as well as comfortable for our learners. Now, in order to check our height, you're going to see a little picture pop up right here next to me. That's going to have how we want our forearms to line up with the ground. So you'll see that when you put your hands out onto the keys, you want your arm to be level with the ground. And just like you see over here, I have that all highlighted for you that you can help your learner walking through that as well. And last but not least, number 3, our posture. So we want to make sure that we're sitting nice and tall, feet flat on the ground. We don't want our shoulders up here when we play. So what you can do to relax yourself is actually bring them up by your ears, scrunch, 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 and then drop them down. And that's where we want our shoulders to stay. If you find that as you're playing, you're kind of tensing up, just remember to drop them down, feet flat, arms out on the piano, and you'll be on your way. All right, friends, you should be sitting nice and tall, relaxed, and ready to play. Great job today. You're one step closer to becoming a piano superstar. If you had fun, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when the next lesson drops. And don't forget to check the mini course workbook below. It's the perfect way to keep the learning going between videos. See you next lesson.